up, gang? I'm back with another quick video. Anybody know me know I like doing stuff, and I was back here cleaning up my deck, and I need some more lights. I want some more lights. I got the lights around the top, and I got my screen, projector screen. Got my fan. I need some more lights. I got the lights around the thing out there, but I wanted some on the ground. So I came Home Depot and a little quick DIY. I'm saying this is all you need right here. Got my clear matte spray paint. Got my duct tape. Got these lights right here. And all I'm gonna do is get it. I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Once you get this painted, it's gonna come out like this right here. It's gonna be like matte. So all you're doing is paint the inside. You don't paint the outside, you just paint the inside. So it'll reflect through. I should have got a different type of paint. I should have went with the frost, but this right here might be alright. But yeah. And all you do is this, and then you're gonna put that on top of that, and it's gonna glow. But stay tuned, get back with you when I'm done. Not yet. Dry down. I'm gonna hit them again, just to see. Like I say, you still see through it. That's the point. You can see through it. Now I went with these lights right here. These lights here gotta have a flat light. You can't have one that sticks up by the ground and nothing like that. These right here have a little thing that I can stick them in the ground. But the ones I went with is, well, you can't see it because the sun out. But they change like 12 different colors or whatever, but I'm mainly just gonna put it on white, see how it go. And usually what I do, I was thinking about gluing this down, cause see what you do with the tops. You do it just like this right here. See if I can do this with one hand without breaking some. Gonna be like a globe. See what I'm saying? And that's it. The light gonna sit in the middle of it, and it's gonna glow. So that's the ideal. So we gonna see. It's just a little accent for your yard, you know. I mean, that's all. When you and your people sitting outside and just a little bit more light. I don't think I was afraid of it was still gonna be able to the solar lights glow inside this with this thing, but I'm pretty sure they will. That's why what I was gonna do, I was gonna glue these together, but I'm not gonna glue them together right now because I want to see how it's gonna work. If it ain't gonna work, these things right here, Dollar Tree. All this stuff here, I probably paid maybe 15 bucks. The paint was the highest thing. These right here's $1 a piece at Dollar Tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 10 of those. That's $10. 6 more dollars, $16. Nope, the highest thing was the lights. I paid the lights was I think $24 for 4. Yeah, and this right here, like I said, $6. You know what I'm saying? So the highest thing gonna be the lights. Depends on how many you got. I got 2 boxes, so I paid like $40-some, like 50 bucks for 2 sets of lights with tax and all. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how these things gonna work. If it work good, I might do some more of them and put them around over there by my little man cave or something like that there. Or right now I'm putting these out here somewhere on my little deck part. So I got my lights right there. I got these. I got my big fan. I got this fan, and that's it. Oh yeah, I got one of them made already. Let me show you. This is how it's gonna look. It's gonna sit in my mulch, just like that. And that's it. That's it. I need to get some more mulch. That's it right there. Cinnamon mulch, and we're gonna see how it works tonight, guys. So hey, stay tuned. This thing work. Might be on to something. Who knows? Had them fuckers everywhere. I'm put some in the front, I know, because I want to redo my front yard too. But it's just like a little different type video that I'm doing. Always doing shit. That's just me. But yeah, stay tuned. When it get dark, I'll show you how this thing is gonna work. Peace. And there you go, guys. Finished product. Got a big ass light. 6 of them. Under 15 bucks. 2, 4, 5, 6. And I still had 2 left open. Comment, tell me what you think about it. Pretty good idea. We get back, give you a view of it, see how it looks from a distance. Yeah. Some nice little lights. We'll probably relocate them, put them somewhere else. As of right now, look pretty doggone good. Let it get a little bit darker. Give you one more view when it gets pitch dark, because it's still kind of light outside. But just bring a little ambiance to the outside. Oh, it's crazy. I ain't got no music.
A few moments later.
I had to get it. Y'all see them things shining in the light? Them thingalines? See them thingalines shining? Nah. Get the lights. Yeah, guys, it turned out good. Dark now. Seeing how everything look. And I'm bored. Ain't nothing finna happen. We going on. We just sitting out here and that's it. If you ain't already did it, hit that like button. Like, share, subscribe. Come hang out with your boy, man. Get in the comments, tell what you like.
The Negro topographer. The Negro topographer back there.